In this video, we will cover how you can access your ASCENT eBooks. ASCENT eBooks are distributed by Gilmore Global eVantage via email. They are accessible on PC and Mac or using the Bookshelf app for Apple, Android, or Kindle. When you purchase an ASCENT ebook, you will receive an email from noreply@gilmore.ca. If you do not receive this email, check your junk email folder. In the email, there will be a link to log in to your existing eVantage account or create an account at evantage.gilmoreglobal.com so you can redeem the eBooks license code. The license code is found in the email as shown. You will also find step-by-step instructions for creating an account and redeeming the code, as well as a link to a quick reference guide. When you are ready to redeem your ebook license code, click the link in the email or go to evantage.gilmoreglobal.com. To log into your existing eVantage account, enter your email and password and click Sign In. If you do not have an account, click Create an Account. Fill out your first name, last name, and email, and create a password. Then check the checkbox to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and click Create Account. Once you have created your account, you will want to return to the email you received with the license code. Highlight the license code and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C or right-click and select Copy. Then click the link to log in to the eVantage site. On the eVantage website, click Redeem Code, then paste or type the code into the dialog box that pops up. Click Redeem. To access your ebook, click My Library, then click on the cover of the book you want to open. You can also access ebooks through the Bookshelf app. Return to the home page and you will see an area called Download the Bookshelf app. Click Learn More. To download the Bookshelf app from your mobile device, you can use your device's camera to scan the QR code. You can also download the application for your Mac, Windows, or Chromebook desktop by clicking the respective link at the bottom of the page.